Hello, welcome to my channel Hairbearer. In this video, we are going to learn how to add subscript in Excel. So without wasting time, let's dive into it. Here you can see my formula is here and I want to make subscript. So for two, I want to make. So I will select first of all, I will select the cell and double click it and select the cell text which I want to subscript. So I will select two. And here you will see insert home, and you will see here the font settings. Here just click here and you will see here in effects subscript and hit OK, and if you come out you will see my subscript is done. So this is the first way, and second way is we will go to back, Ctrl Z, and second way is just we will go to this format, select the range, select this text and go to format cell, right click and format cell, and you will see here also subscript and hit OK. This is the way that will give the subscript by going to format cells. So I hope you found this video helpful. Please subscribe to my channel to get more daily updates, and I will see you in the next video.